Welcome to Girls World!
Hi everyone, I want to say thank you to Philips for sending this 3300 series fully automatic espresso machine LatteGo. The model is EP334350, wherein you can make 6 drinks as what they say. It's the easiest way to enjoy our favorite coffees from fresh beans. This is how it looks like when I take out the box. This is where you can put the fresh beans or the ground coffee. And this is the screen where you can choose your preferred drinks. It's very sleek and I like the color. Let's proceed with their accessories. So inside the box, you have the spoon for your ground coffee. You also have a test strip for your water hardness. You have the tray. This is the lid for your fresh beans. This is the container for your milk, or what they call the LatteGo. Next is the Aqua Clean water purifier. Then you have this manual. The good thing is you can also download the app of Philips Coffee, wherein they can show you how it is done properly. So this is how it looks like when I assemble all the accessories. Let's give it a go by putting some fresh beans. You fill up the tank with water and the LatteGo with your preferred milk. For today, I'm going to make a latte macchiato using the machine. Once the machine is on, you can now choose your preferred drinks. For me, it's the latte macchiato. You can also choose the aroma, the quantity of milk and coffee. For this time, I choose the quantity of 2 and the milk quantity level 2. Then it will start to dispense some milk first. Then ending up with your brewed coffee. And that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comment if ever you've tried this coffee machine, and let me know what do you think of it. And until next time, bye!